Friends, let's begin our weekend with a high protein breakfast. Keep watching this video for more details. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fat to Fitness. This is Sobhagya. In today's video, we are making a high protein breakfast which is made of green gram dal. Please keep watching. So I am taking here green gram, half a cup of it, and soaking it overnight. So take the cup of measurement. You can buy these cups from online or from the store. I'll provide the link so that you get accurate measurement. Portion, size or measurement is really important. So I have soaked it overnight, as you can see, or you can soak it for 10 to 12 hours, and after which we will grind it in a fine paste and then let it ferment for overnight or leave it for at least 5 to 6 hours. I left it overnight for it to ferment, and here it is. Add some water as per the consistency and add half a teaspoon of salt in it. Green gram is also called as moong dal. So friends, if you are the kind who is having trouble losing weight because you feel hungry all the time, then green gram would do you good. You can add green gram to your diet and ward off the hunger without piling on the calories. It controls your BP. Friends, it is very easy to prepare. Put a pan on gas and check when it is hot, and then with a spoon you can spread the moong dal paste and spread it evenly like we do dosa. I'm not adding any oil. Cook it on a medium-low flame slowly and then flip it. So cook each side for about 1 to 1.5 minutes and then flip it off. And that's all. It is so easy. If you have gas problem, you can add half an inch of ginger while you're grinding the moong dal batter, and that's all. So friends, as I was saying, green gram or moong dal is packed with healthy nutrients. It is high antioxidant levels, may reduce chronic disease. It may lower bad LDL cholesterol level, reducing heart disease risk. It is rich in potassium, magnesium and fiber. It also helps in reducing the blood pressure. Friends, green gram or this moong dal is a great source of both soluble and insoluble fiber. So fiber in this will keep you full for long, which will avoid any unnecessary calories throughout the day. This is an awesome option for you as a breakfast or a snack or even lunch for that matter. Always make sure that you are sticking to the portion size, and that's all. You can have 1 to 2 moong dal dosa along with a small about 1/4 size cup of peanut chutney on side, and that's all you need. And this healthy breakfast or snack recipe will help you lose 5 to 10 kgs in 10 to 15 days easily, and followed by a good workout for about 20 to 30 minutes at least 3 to 5 days a week. That's all you need, and it is so simple to prepare, as you can see. Friends, please do try it out and let me know how it is helping you in your weight loss journey. I hope you will enjoy this recipe. Let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Please click on that bell icon, like this video and share it with your friends so that even they can enjoy. Alright friends, I hope you stay healthy. Remember, you can make a difference.